I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have an adorable 2-bedroom, fully furnished condo over at Emerald Isle on the west end of Panama City Beach, right across from one of my favorite local eats, Mike's Diner.
Yep.
So good. You got Southern soul food
Yep.
on one side and you got oysters on the other.
Yep.
Tell us about this adorable condo, Heather.
Okay, it is dressed to the nines, fully furnished, ready to roll, turnkey. If you want this to be your cute, humble abode, you could do that. The rentals here are very strong. You're right on the sand. The views are fantastic.
Super close to Pier Park.
Absolutely.
Short drive to 30A. Again,
Avenue.
the amenities of the west end of Panama City Beach, it's growing like wildfire.
Yes, and it's a little quieter on that end. It's not in the middle of the tourist corridor, so it's a little bit quieter, however you like, and it's still got good rentals, so.
Right, so if you want to have it as your beach getaway, rent it out, live here, come and move to Panama City Beach, you have all the choices. And you were so in love with the decor, weren't you?
Absolutely. Not only the furnishings, but the little touches that they did to design the walls. Not quite shiplap, but it's got a wood feature in each of the rooms, and I'm absolutely in love.
They did a beautiful job. The natural light came in. It's
The balconies,
the flooring.
great. The flooring is fantastic.
You
This one-
guys,
this one.
you gotta come check this condo out. If you're in that price range again of under 600,000, looking for a turnkey ready Panama City Beach condo, we'd love to show it to you.
So for more description and looking at what I like on the wall, check out the link below. You've got the MLS information ready there for you.
And don't forget to ring that bell. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.